Now, find a comfortable spot in bed, a place where you can completely relax and welcome stillness. Gently close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine filling your lungs with a soft, warm light. As you exhale, feel this light carrying away any tension, worries, or burdens within. Let each breath make you feel lighter, more relaxed, and with every exhale, let go of one more piece of weight. Inhale peace, exhale worries. Imagine yourself stepping onto a magical path, surrounded by vibrant and lively nature. Each step on this path brings you closer to the essence of the earth, breathing in the fresh, sweet fragrance of flowers and plants. Around you, tiny glistening lights illuminate the path like little stars, as if friendly guides inviting you to venture deeper into endless peace. In this space, there is nothing but calm and balance. It is a place where you can completely let go of all the worries, burdens, and pressures of life. Whatever you have been through, whatever anxieties remain, they all dissolve as you walk further along this path. These little lights around you not only light your way, but spread a feeling of peace, like warm arms protecting and embracing you. With every step, you feel your body and mind becoming lighter, as if all worries and troubles dissolve with each breath. This space is made for you, a sacred and safe place where you can fully relax and let your mind and spirit rest. Immerse yourself in this feeling of peace, allowing yourself to fully embrace serenity and calm, because you deserve all of it. Now, bring your attention to the center of your heart, the deepest part of yourself, where a pure and warm light is always present. Feel this gentle yet powerful light, filled with unconditional love and healing. It is your light, the essence of your soul, ready to shine and support you. With each inhale, imagine this light growing, spreading from the center of your heart to every part of your body. It moves through every cell, every vessel, reaching every hidden corner, bringing healing and cleansing. Let this light gently touch the parts of you that need love and peace. As the light expands, imagine it encountering the emotional clouds that have existed within you. Perhaps sadness, anger, worry, or any feeling you've carried with you. Each time the light touches a cloud, watch as it slowly dissipates, like mist fading in the morning sun. Continue to breathe in, allowing the light to grow stronger and brighter, soothing all negative emotions, and releasing any sadness that has built up within you. With each exhale, you're relaxing and letting go, making space for love and peace. Feel every part of your body becoming lighter, more relaxed, as if releasing a long-held burden. You're allowing the healing light not only to soothe your body, but to connect with the deepest part of your soul, where only serenity and peace exist. Now that you've connected with the peace and light within, allow yourself to drift into a deep, restful sleep. Imagine the light from your heart extending outward, creating a bright, transparent circle around you. This is a protective circle, a strong shield made of pure love and absolute peace. This circle keeps you safe from anything unwanted, leaving only warmth and a sense of security. Let your body gradually relax. Every muscle, every finger and toe sinking deeper into sleep. You are entirely safe in this circle of light, and nothing can disturb you. In this protected space, you know you are wrapped in love. As you sink deeper into sleep, know that the healing process continues. The light continues its work, flowing into every hidden part of your soul, healing emotional and spiritual wounds. You don't need to do anything. Just let yourself drift into sleep and let the light care for you. Whenever you need, know that you can always return to this meditation. This is a place where you can find peace and healing anytime. When you wake, you will feel lighter, filled with energy and love. Let the light continue to protect you throughout the night, so that when you awaken, you will feel inner peace, ready for a new day, filled with energy and hope.